See here in this problem, here a message signal is given here, that is x of t equal to cos of 2005t into cos of 5005t. So then what is the Nyquist state? So Nyquist state is defined as it is a minimum sampling frequency for to avoid the aliasing effect. So it is mathematically represented as fs greater than or equal to 2fm. Now find the message frequency for the given signal. So it is in the format of x of t equal to x1 of t into x2 of t into x3 of t. Means here signals are product to each other. So first of all find the individual frequencies for every signal. That is, for the signal the frequency is f1, for signal the frequency f2, like that we'll find it. Then afterwards add all the frequencies, it gives the message frequency. So it is in the form of cos of omega t. So that's equal to cos of 2 pi ft. Comparing with this, we will get f1 equal to 1000 Hz. Similarly, f2 equal to 2500 Hz. Now adding this, we will get 3500 Hz message frequency. So this is the message frequency. Now substitute in this equation, then we get the sampling frequency. So fs greater than or equal to 2 into 3500. That's equal to fs greater than or equal to 7 kHz, and this is the minimum sampling frequency for the given message signal, and this is the process for getting the Nyquist state. And thanks for watching. Please on the channel, don't forget to hit like the video. Thank you.